take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away.
Welcome back, guys, here with another subscriber today. I'm so happy about this one because I know that you guys were asking about this, that I also do a makeover on, you know, darker skin, you know, chocolate chicas. And hello, I am so excited to be doing this makeover today on PETITE-SUE. PETITE-SUE is her name. To just be giving her a nice glam, definitely cut crease vibes is what I'm feeling. Yeah, but first, you guys know I want to start off with the hair portion, as how I always do. This is a wig from RPG Hair. Yes, this wig is the big density body wave Brazilian virgin hair, and it's already customized. It's a 360 wig, by the way, and this one is 22 inches long, I believe. Yes, so I'm going to be installing this on this beautiful chica today. I'm so happy to be doing this makeover, and I know that you guys love the makeovers, and it's something that I really want to continue here and there, not every single week. I'm not sure I'll be able to do this every single week, but I'll try my best to do it as much as I can here and there. So I really hope you guys can appreciate that. This is how PETITE-SUE's hair is looking. The shrinkage, look at that. So I'm just going to do my regular little braids. You know, nothing too special right there. So just you know, nice. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna kind of like fast forward through that, and I want to give her a like nice, you know, what do I call it, nice glam look. As I said, I'm feeling cut crease vibes. But we're going to do the wig portion first, so let me just go ahead and get these braids going.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
But still allow Trina the weaver a little longer, you know, really bomb glue, but takes practice. So yeah,
Got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
I gave the hair some soft curls. You see how luscious this looks? I have always loved this wig so much because it has so much body and it's very voluminous, and this is just the perfect hairstyle for that kind of like glam, you know. So yeah, and she's a shorty like me, so stand up. The hair is touching her bum. I'm gonna move on to the glam, the makeup portion. So let's see what I come up with, because I'm kind of going to wing it.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you.
Basically finished. I am loving this glam. I kind of winged it with the eye look. It wasn't completely planned. I knew that I wanted to do cut crease though. And then I love the hair. I completely love the hair. It is melted. RPG, shout out to you. It's gorgeous as usual. Look at that body. I love the luster. And I opted to give this kind of hairstyle because, you know, I looks like glam. Very glam and nice, very full and voluminous, so can't go wrong with this. How you like it?
Love it.
I didn't
Here is silky and nice.
So you're definitely wearing this out later.
Yeah, girl.
That's basically it for today's makeover on PETITE-SUE. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what other look you want to see, what other makeover you want to see.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.